Appeal for help on behalf of the Member of the Parliament who is stuck in the war zone with 25 injured people and dead bodies in the ground floor of a building in Cizre town, southeast Turkey. Here is his Twitter account in the video, and this is his message to the world. Dear human rights organization around the world, I am Faysal Sariyildiz. I am Kurdish from Cizre and a member of the Turkish Parliament. I am sending this message to the world from Cizre. I am urgently appealing for help to save injured people right now here with me. Turkish tanks and jets yesterday shot civilians in Kurdish town Cizre. Dead bodies are still on the streets, and with me right now are 3 dead bodies and 25 injured people. 24 hours has passed and still the Turkish army is not letting these injured people to go to the clinic to get treatment. Blood is running from their bodies and we don't have any first aid. Even the people who want to give them water get shot by the army. If you do not act urgently, everyone in this building will die with me. This information is just in one street, but there are injured and dead bodies in other streets as well. Please act urgently to put pressure on Turkey until we can be able to send these wounded people to hospital. Regards, Faysal Sariyildiz, Member of the Turkish Parliament from Cizre.
Ben senin yüzüne bakıyorum. Sen yarın gelemem. Kapıda gidip annene gideceğim. Annem ne yapacağım? Benim yüzüme bakıyorum. Ben uyuyamadım.